Power. You don't think much about it until it's gone. With Trystar's triple breaker dual-purpose docking station, your facility is covered during an outage or while performing planned generator maintenance and testing. The triple breaker dual purpose ensures your facility maintains normal operations and compliance with NEC 700.3F. During scheduled generator testing, a load bank will arrive on site, along with a temporary generator. The TBDP is equipped with the same cam lock connections that are available on the generator and load bank unit. The interlocked breakers allow the facility to simultaneously connect a temporary generator and load bank while isolating the permanent generator during testing, allowing a safe, fast, and legal connection to your facility to provide emergency power during an outage, or should a loss of power occur during load bank testing. Once the cam lock cables are installed and the generator's phase is confirmed through Trystar's integrated phase rotation monitor, the breaker interlock sequence can begin. The permanent breaker is opened and temporary breaker is closed. An additional third breaker is closed to protect the load bank equipment. The portable generator is now available to provide emergency power for the duration of testing and maintenance, in accordance with the NEC 700.3F. With the load bank and permanent generator on, the load bank tests the permanent generator. Once the test is complete, the breakers are switched. The cables are unplugged, the load bank and portable generator leave your location, and you are back up and running. The Trystar triple-purpose breaker docking station keeps your critical facility up and running, provides a safe, fast, and legal connections to emergency power. Easy to use, NEC 700.3F compliant, and minimal delays. To learn more, visit Trystar.com.